family is a place where everyone loves you no matter what, and they accept you for who you are. I know I'm going to be Tina's wedding, and I'm going to be anxiously waiting just like everyone else. When I find out I'm going to go for this person.
Can you say anything else?
You're my best friend.
Yeah.
Anyone needs me?